Now, let's try and understand this missile that was used on Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters. What missile is that? The BrahMos. Now, BrahMos has 7 big significance. These strikes that were made, they lay out 7 points that we are going to explain to you. Firstly, India's BrahMos missile has been used to target Jaish headquarters, which is a terror hub, and completely destroy it. We were shown how with precision, it hit only the headquarters and there was no other damage done to the civilian population around it. It is a Brahmastra. This is the second point that we are telling you, that has struck deep inside Pakistan. As we just told you, almost 100 kilometers into Pakistan. So this sends out a message to Pakistan that we are capable of hitting you wherever we want and at will. This precision hit completely pulverized Jaish's Bahawalpur headquarters. We saw even visuals coming out, leaking, and we could see how the damage was done. The fourth point that it makes clear is that India's firm resolve to decimate terror. So the use of a missile, a BrahMos missile on a terror hideout, a headquarter, is a big message. This is a message that we've been saying, that it is an act of war. Terror is not just terror, it is an act of war and will be dealt with such means only. So another thing that's been proven is that India has the power to go and strike Pakistan's prowess, whether they are talking about their big planes, or they're talking about their nuclear capabilities, or they're talking about their missiles. India has the power to strike deep. BrahMos missiles' air superiority was also firmly established because it was released from the air, most possibly from Bikaner air station and Nal air station, and most possibly it was an air-to-surface missile. Also, the Pak air defense failure was also highlighted by this strike, and it became apparent to the entire world. They could not intercept it, they could not stop it, and it went and hit its target, which is the Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters. Now, Operation Sindoor, a high-intensity strike that tore through terror strongholds deep inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which is the POK. Now, the discovery of BrahMos missile parts near the Pakistan border in Bikaner is fueling speculation about its role in the operation. We will be bringing you more details in this report.
Precise, supersonic, ideal for hardened targets. India's BrahMos missile was the Brahmastra in its war against terror. The BrahMos was a key weapon of choice during Operation Sindoor. Unleashed, it hit Pakistan's terror headquarters with precision. BrahMos's primary target was Bahawalpur, the base of Jaish-e-Mohammed, and it was struck with devastating accuracy. The strike eliminated 2 high-value targets, Yusuf Azhar, the brother-in-law of Jaish chief Masood Azhar, and wanted by India for his link to the IC-814 plane hijacking. Azhar's eldest brother-in-law and in charge of the Bahawalpur Jaish headquarters, Hafiz Muhammad Jamil, also eliminated. Hours after India paused kinetic operations against Pakistan, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the BrahMos Integration and Testing Facility in Lucknow. He declared, BrahMos is a message in itself.
BrahMos दुनिया के सबसे तेज सुपरसोनिक क्रूज मिसाइल्स में से एक है। BrahMos सिर्फ एक हथियार नहीं है, बल्कि यह अपने आप में एक मैसेज है। मैसेज हमारी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के स्ट्रेंथ का है। मैसेज दुश्मन के प्रति हमारी डेटरेंस का है, प्रतिरोधक क्षमता का है। मैसेज हमारी बॉर्डर्स की सेफ गार्डिंग के हमारी प्रतिबद्धता का है।
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also hailed the BrahMos, calling it the Brahmastra.
BrahMos मिसाइल क्या होती है, अभी आपने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के अंदर इस मिसाइल के पराक्रम की एक झलक देखी होगी, और नहीं देखी होगी तो कम से कम पाकिस्तान वालों से पूछ लेना चाहिए कि BrahMos मिसाइल की ताकत क्या है।
Designed and made in India, the BrahMos flies at supersonic speeds with range over 450 kilometers and is nearly impossible to intercept, delivering near pinpoint precision strikes from air, land, sea or submarine platforms.
साथियों, हर भारतीय को गर्व होता है जब वो सुनता है कि भारत में बनी ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल अपनी कैटेगरी में सबसे घातक और सबसे आधुनिक मानी जाती है। कई देशों के लिए ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल उनकी पसंदीदा चॉइस बनकर उभरी है।
Debris, including a BrahMos booster and cap, has been recovered near Bikaner, close to the Pakistan border, proving the cross-border launch targeting Jaish's headquarters in Bahawalpur. Despite claims of a high-alert defense posture, Pakistan failed to intercept the missile. Bureau Report, India Today.